excited to be here with Sam Schutte today in Cincinnati, Ohio, as we're here watching his new project getting built. Sam, congratulations on the progress you've made starting Synthica, starting this national organics recycling company. Give me a little bit of backstory. You've been here for how many years now getting this project rolling?
So we first started working on this about 5 years ago. Initially got this property and started working on the feedstock contracts. And as you said, this is our first plant, really part of our national platform that we're building, which really our goal is to be the leading organics to energy facilities in the U.S. And this is our first one that we're about rapidly approaching completion.
Can you talk about any twists and turns in the road in getting this project in? You're in a fairly industrial neighborhood. Has it been smooth sailing, or has it been a bumpy ride?
It's been pretty smooth. We got a lot of really great cooperation and support from Ohio EPA and other regulators, as well as local community, local county government, Hamilton County here in Ohio. There was really a broad recognition that this kind of facility was needed. People don't realize that every day there's hundreds of trucks leaving these markets we're developing in, hauling away organic materials to distant outlets where they can be disposed of. And we're losing out a lot of energy potential, burning a lot of diesel doing that. The decision makers that we worked with understood the need and really helped us make it a reality.
Give a little color on the national rollouts. Do you feel like the timing's right for biogas RNG? Do you run into any resistance, or do you feel like your rollout's coming along pretty well?
We actually run a really widespread acceptance of our solutions in the markets. Right now, our next two plants that we're rapidly developing and looking to break ground on this year are in Rome, Georgia, which is northwest of Atlanta, and then we have a project within San Antonio. San Antonio government there is welcomed us with open arms. And so what we're finding is the same problems that existed here for pre-consumer waste exist in those markets in terms of companies wanting a convenient and sustainable option, but a lot of excitement. And we feel that we've got a great market advantage to roll these out across all sorts of underserved markets in the U.S. here.
Well, congratulations. There's nothing like seeing something in action. You've clearly established yourself as a player in this field, so congratulations, Sam. We're very excited for you.
Appreciate it.
We're here at the Waste Receiving Building, where the packaged product and solid material will come into the facility in an odor-controlled environment. Here, the packaged material will be dumped into our depack machine before being taken to the first tank. This is the waste tank, where the waste will come to be combined and homogenized before digestion. The project uses 2 stages of digestion. This is the first step, the thermophilic tank. This is the second step of the digestion process, the mesophilic tank. You see here, the contractor is putting in 120 different piles to support the weight of the tank. The tank will hold about 2.2 million gallons. Now we're at the dewatering building, where the centrifuges will be housed on the second floor. We have the digestate tank and the water treatment tank, where water will go before it's put into the local sewer.
As the general contractor, we're pleased to be working with Synthica Energy on this organics to energy facility. We're currently up to 30 to 40 workers on site, getting our buildings up in the air, getting foundations on the ground. Over here behind me, we're working on the auger cast piles for the meso tank to help support the soils in that area. And we're installing 122 of those piles, and it should be completed in the next week.